gets throaty. Alright. Used 2019 Street Bob in Billiard Blue. It's got front axle caps with the Harley-Davidson skull on them. It's got a windshield nacelle for the light there. Screamin Eagle high flow air intake. It's also got the timing cover with the skull on it. The passenger pegs are the skull themed passenger pegs. It's got Vance and Hines slip-on mufflers. It's looking like there is 6,873 miles on it. It has the skull gas cap. It's definitely a skull theme going on here. There are some imperfections in the paint on the rear fender on either side. They must have tied something down on it. It does have a Viking bags, Swingarm bag. It's got these Harley-Davidson skull derby cover. And it also has the shift lever with the skull on it. It's a beautiful color. And that is a Street Bob 107 2019 in Billiard Blue. Come on in, check it out, take it for a test ride.